Hey guys, it's your girl Tahita with Beauty in the Kinks. Welcome back to my channel. This video is all about my morning routine when I am away for work. I do travel to Vegas every so often for work, so I just wanted to show you guys typically what I do in the morning. So it all starts off with an alarm. To be honest, this is after I've snoozed about 2 or 3 times. My schedule does fluctuate when I'm in Vegas, so you know, I can be waking up at 9 sometimes I'll wake up at 6 or 5:30. It really depends. After I wake up, I'm just checking my text messages, checking my personal emails. I also tend to check my bank accounts. I don't like surprises, so I like to know how much money is in my account every single day. Next, I do kind of turn within and try to, be grateful, thank God. I do go to the Bible app sometimes. Most mornings I do, but this morning it was not working and giving me my daily verse. So I just decided to go over to my notepad where I keep a list and I try to list something that I'm grateful for every single day. So I just go to my list, reflect on what I've already written and write what I'm grateful for that day. And of course, water is extremely important. So after I've written out what I'm grateful for, I make sure to hydrate. Go ahead and make sure you drink water first thing in the morning, guys. Your skin and your hair will thank you. Now it's time to get these drapes open and let some sunlight in this room. This is probably the best way to wake up, because if I stay in the bed and it's still dark, I might go back to sleep. And now that my alarm is off, I might miss the time that I'm supposed to be getting up and getting ready. Now that I am up, it's time to actually sit up and check into Beauty in the Kinks. I check my personal emails on my phone, and I check my business emails and my website on the computer. So that is what I'm doing here. And after I've made sure that everything is okay with the website and the brand, I do go ahead and make myself some tea or some coffee. This morning I wanted tea, so I just put some water in a mug and warmed that up in the microwave. For some reason, I have been really feeling the English breakfast tea lately, and I do have it the English way, which is with a bit of milk or cream and sugar. And that's how we drink it in Belize too. I forgot how good that is. And so that's kind of been my go-to these past couple of days. Now that my tea is ready, it's time to sit down and have a little me time with my book. I'm just gonna go ahead and spend maybe 20 to 30 minutes catching up on my book and sipping my tea before I actually get ready to start my day. Kind of do this just because I'm going to be devoting the next 8 to 10 hours to my work. The least I can do is give myself 20 to 30 minutes of some me time. Now to start getting ready and get myself pumped, I do like to play a little music. So I do turn on a playlist. This morning I went for some soca music. Now that I got my playlist jamming, it's time to turn on the shower just to get that all warmed up. And then time to get my stuff like my face wash ready and also brush my teeth. Take a little dance while I'm getting ready. Now that I am out the shower, it is time to get my makeup together, throw my contacts on, and get ready. Now I am all dressed. I am actually just getting ready to leave. So that was pretty much it. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of my Beauty in the Kinks family here on YouTube. I will have my Instagram and my Snapchat as well as my website listed down below if you guys want to link with me there. But yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Until next video. Bye, guys.